Hello friends, I was inspired by Laragon. It's an alternative to XAMPP, and I have taken Laragon and reduced it a little bit for my needs, added some start and stop commands into it to get fast programming environment set up, which is also based on a USB drive. It's just a USB drive on here, and it runs USB web server. I updated it to PHP version 8.5, and also added a sources folder into it where we can put some programs into it, and we can run it. Demo menu, for example, on here. There is a hello Dennis, okay, or my name is John. Yeah, we can say we can show table, whatever. And what I like, however I don't need it, is the VT100 emulation, where you can put on command line a little bit colors and this stuff. I put here. When we click on here on localhost, then a browser is coming up. Yeah, and on here this is the original index from the USB web server. Yeah, and it has on here 8.5 now. On here a little bit older MySQL, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. And it's a cool thing. It's a cool thing, and and it's very easy to do it. So if you look on here, the start command thing on there, you can look in the source code. It's just simply looking for the drive letter where this script is started. So the letter D is put into this variable root, and then everything is based on this one here, root, and then slash emulator. There's a configuration file a little bit, you see it, and then it's running the web server. And this configuration file here simply adds a path, some variables to the path variable. Voice. Yeah. So it is checking if it would find some bash files or Node, Python. These are some leftovers from Laragon. So it's not invented by scratch by me. I have taken Laragon and reduced, and then it's adding the path variable where it finds the web server. So the PHP dir is derived from, and also where the editor is placed, and then I'm adding it to the path and starting the bash. And that's it. It's really easy, and it's really fast to get this thing starting. Yeah. And we are in place. We can go out. We can also use Python, which is given by the Laragon installation. Yeah. Okay, I'm 5+3. Yeah. Yeah. I can exit. Perl is installed. Perl. Awk. Yeah. And last but not least, also PHP. And it's really cool. Yeah, I put a small alias thing which ramps up an editor. You can put like this. We can put a not existent file. Then the editor is started and it asks it doesn't exist the file. Would you want to create it? Yes, we want. And then we can put some PHP code in. Hello from this USB based dev environment inspired by Aragon. Okay, and we can save this. I hope it saved. Did it? Yes. And we can execute the program, and then there is nothing in. Okay, why? I don't know. Because it hasn't I haven't. PHP echo hello things like this. Okay. Oh, there is something wrong. It does not output an error. It should also output also error, but there's on here. Yeah, the output of it. Yeah. So maybe need to put on here at the end PHP end of line. Save out. And then I can put it like this. Okay. Hello from this will be based environment by Laragon. Yeah. There is a database on there in place and the Apache. So yeah, this is cool. If you want to distribute or take a small application with you, then you simply put your source on here. Oh, here in the root directory here, and I have put like also the sources directory on there. Then you can take your application via USB to one computer to the other one. Yeah, maybe you liked it. Maybe I got inspired by it. Bye.